Alright gang, we're switching it up, jumping on the 990 Duke. See if I can handle this thing. I guess Craig has confidence in me. He said this one's a little shorter. Yeah, I can do this. That ain't bad. Oh boy. Alright. Woo! She jumps. Oh man, listen to that. Can you hear it? Now that seat was super flat. This thing has all kinds of power ready to go. Oh! What's he doing? Making me work. I guess that was worth going through there. Alright. I'll just do that all day. Now, oh, this thing shifts. KTM. See what we got. Alright, how do I sit on this seat? It's got a very strong backrest here and a lot of power. Okay, interesting. I got used to sitting back a little bit on that one. Interesting. Very different bike. So, KTM, is this basically a sport bike? I mean, it has a lot of characteristics of a super powerful enduro. Possibly a little too much power. I mean, after that, you can throw that thing around anywhere. This thing, you actually have to work a little bit. A lot more counter steer, as Craig said. Super fun though. All the power you need. I guess my position's gonna be a little different on this. I gotta work on that. Interesting. If I get comfortable right where I'm sitting, the seat's okay. I feel like I'm sitting a little forward, but my hands are not as stressed. Okay. I just bumped the gear. So I'm sure this has a quick shifter on it also, as the other one does, and I'm sure Craig put it on this one first. Yeah, this you could get in trouble a lot faster than that one. But as I said before, you need to trust your bike and you need to trust yourself. Stay off the clutch if you're not going to shift. Because everything happens really fast on this bike. This thing is power. Love it. Love the sound too. I'll have to look up even what engine is this? Sounds like it's gotta be a V-twin. I'm not gonna be stunting it. I don't want to be a bad boy and make a scratch. That grunt, woo, sounds good. I don't know, they don't make much better sound than that. Ducati. Anybody hating me right now? These are some fun motorcycles. Or are you loving me? Because you get to ride right along. Thing about a bike like this, it might not maneuver as well as that one, but you can always catch up in the straightaway. Oh, look at this little thing. And it sounds amazing. KTM Duke, 2013 KTM Duke here, 990. Gonna ride this out. Great roads out here, Bubba's. And this looks like where I picked up my Virago. I bet you it is. Yep, right up there. You get on bikes like this, you can trust the motorcycle. Can you trust yourself? I talked about that earlier, but pretty wild. A lot of harder riding on something like this, especially when you're working with somebody else. that exhaust I could listen to all day. Not like my little straight pipe. At least that didn't hurt like the Sabre does. Aha. She's crazy. Definitely heavier than that one. So the wheel doesn't come off the ground as quick. But I'm sure if you lifted, it would. Funny, I'm not smelling any exhaust fumes. Heading back in here. What I can say about the Duke is it is shorter, and I like that about it. And all kinds of crazy power, which I enjoy also. Maneuverability on the Enduro, 690 is amazing. But yeah, get out and try some different bikes. That's what I'm gonna say about today. Love riding different motorcycles. It's been a great experience. Hopefully more to come. So subscribe. I'll check you out. I don't know what all's coming out with this trip today, but it'll be fun. So tune in, tune out, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Yeah, buddy. Sounds good. It's a yellow Jeep day. Yellow Jeep day. Thanks to Craig. This was amazing.